It's called facão triplo, which is basically this basic step, but we'll do it 3 times. So we'll do the gentleman's part, the ladies part, and the gentleman part again. We can do it as much as we want.
То, что мы делали, да, это мы сейчас сделали 3 раза, да, это можно сделать сколько угодно раз. То есть сначала была партия партнера, потом партнерша и так далее. Постоянно чередуется.
The important thing is to make sure that you have contact with your lady. Don't squeeze her, but have contact with her.
Очень важно, чтобы был контакт у партнеров. Не сильно не сжимайте, но и держитесь рядом.
So 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3. So the important part to keep this style to the move is to make sure that you have this pause. So make sure you have this pause and make sure you have contact with the lady. Okay? The second move we did today was the Teflon. 1, 2, 3. With a lady charm. We can do it with 2 hands. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. With 2 hands, or we can do it with only 1 hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm crazy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, you have to make sure that her arm is stretched, but you don't have to force it. Maybe some girls, they are beginners and they don't let you actually stretch her arm. Don't force it because it will make it look like you're fighting her. So just try to make sure that you can show her the way. Start it facing one side and finish it facing the other side. Okay? Girls, make sure that you allow the guy to stretch her arms and can use this pressure on the palm of her hand to make you move. Okay? Now we're going to put the music in this a little bit for